What's up YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Gibbo's Kitchen. Now, I've got a surprise for you today because I found at the supermarket some mystery chilies. Now these are marked on the supermarket shelf as habaneros, but they don't look like habaneros to me. I suspect they might be a little hotter than anything I've ever tasted before. So I thought I'll make a hot sauce. Now for the hot sauce, we are going to put into one blender. We have some yellow sweet pepper, in it goes, whoop! Pineapple, also charred, in that goes as well. And should give it a bit of sweetness as well. A little knob of ginger, just to give it a little bit of extra heat. And that clove. We have some garlic. And goes all of that into the blender. Now we got these chilies, and I thought I'd put one actual habanero in too, because I don't know how hot these are. They might not be hot at all, so at least if they're not hot, this will give it a bit of extra taste. I suppose I should find out how hot these are. Should I give it a tastes a bit hot? Let's do one of these. Yeah, okay. Oh shit. Okay, let's get this in. Oh, fucking hell. Oh man. Oh shit. These look funny, these peppers. They're not kind of a bit wrinkly looking, huh?
Yeah.
Have a look at get a close up. They're kind of all wrinkly and kind of look like shit. I've got some organic apple cider vinegar, and this is pomegranate flavour. So this is going to be what gives it a good shelf life. So give it a good glug of that, blend it up with all that. This needs a fair bit, you know. Hopefully that'll be enough. And just a little pinch of sea salt. This is Himalayan sea salt. Just give it a teaspoon of that. All right, and some pepper. And add another habanero. Okay, so all those in the blender. Now if you come over with me to the blending station. Okay, this is an old blender only to be used for the purpose of chili. No. Just check the consistency. Might need a little more vinegar. vinegar if it doesn't sort of pour too well. Oh man! Oh shit! It's sort of a bit of a chunky salsa, so I'm going to put a bit more.
Oh god!
A bit more liquid in. Oh, are you getting that as well? Yeah. Okay, now back to the blender. Shit. Okay. It's looking a bit more like a sauce. Yeah, perfect, I think. Let's give this a little...
Oh!
Oh! I'm gonna...
No, I've smelled it.
Oh! Oh! Woo! Okay, now that is going to be our sauce. Number one. Number two sauce, I thought I'd do a fermented version as well. So that one's our one with apple cider vinegar to preserve it. What I've got over here is all the same ingredients. And we put them into fermentation jars. So here's all our chilies. Oh, and I better put a habanero in here too, because the other one is habanero. I'm going to get one of these bad boys. Stick this in here. Now, we need a brine solution, and that's we don't end up with botulism. Very bad. I looked it up on the internet, and to make a 3% brine in 500 mils, which is this, of water, you need 3 teaspoons of salt. 1, 2. I'll mix this up with a bit of water. Okay, now we're going to need something to kind of push that down a little bit under the surface. I'm going to use an onion to do that. If we stick him there, it's got a little nipple here that can let gas out, right? Very specialist bit of apparatus we have going now. On goes the lid. Give that a bit of a shaky shake. Just get the salt all. And we're going to do the same with this one as well. We'll need more salt here because that's a bigger jar. 2, 3. And then water. This jar is the chilies.
Right.
And this jar is all the other ingredients, the pineapple, the peppers. All right, so that should also start fermenting. So in a month or so, we'll have another version of this sauce, and that can be a little experiment. We'll see which one's better, right? Some nice bottles. And top it off with a little cork. And there we go, we can give that to people we don't like very much for a present. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the show, and I'll let you know maybe once we're ready to try this and see how it goes on a barbecue.